Did you know that some usual nighttime beverages like coffee, green tea, or oolong tea could hinder your sleep due to their caffeine content? That's why you need to try a potent bedtime alternative in turmeric water. Turmeric water contains the antioxidant curcumin, which not only lacks caffeine but can also enhance your mood, making it easier for you to enjoy a restful night's sleep and wake up refreshed in the morning. But turmeric water goes beyond promoting good sleep. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Ayurvedic medicine has embraced turmeric for centuries, leveraging its potency to address diverse conditions such as skin disorders, arthritis, and allergies. In this video, we'll be covering the powerful benefits of drinking turmeric water at night. From helping you sleep well to boosting your immune system, you'll be learning why you need to drink turmeric water every night, especially after dinner. So without further ado, let's dive right into the therapeutic benefits this miraculous water does to your body while you sleep. Did you know that drinking turmeric water at night can help your liver detoxify and repair itself while you sleep? During the day, the body is exposed to a variety of toxins from food, drinks, and environmental factors. These toxins accumulate in the liver, which diligently works to break them down and expel them. That's where turmeric water comes in. It plays a crucial role by aiding the liver in producing enzymes that facilitate the breakdown of toxins in the bloodstream. The liver produces an important enzyme called glutathione, which is vital for detoxification. Turmeric has been proven to elevate glutathione levels, potentially lowering the risk of liver disease and enhancing overall liver health. Consuming turmeric water in the evening also supports bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and eliminating toxins. This is particularly beneficial for people with fatty liver disease, as a robust bile flow aids in restoring liver function and preventing additional fat accumulation. Turmeric water extends its advantages beyond liver health as it also contributes to weight loss. A 2015 study in the European Review for Medical and Pharmacological Science revealed that overweight adults incorporating a turmeric supplement with 95% curcumin, a powerful antioxidant in turmeric, into their strict diet achieved significant weight loss, shedding up to 8% of body fat in just 60 days. Weight gain is often caused by an increased appetite and the buildup of fatty acids in the body. However, drinking turmeric tea each night can aid in appetite control, fostering weight loss. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric water can suppress the growth of fat tissue when you sleep at night, making it a promising tool for combating obesity. Turmeric has also demonstrated efficacy in enhancing metabolic disorders, such as improving insulin sensitivity and reducing body mass index in people with metabolic issues. You can always count on turmeric water for a robust immune system thanks to its immune-boosting properties derived from lipopolysaccharides, also known as endotoxins. These molecules are found in the outer membranes of certain bacteria and can stimulate the body's immune system. Turmeric water proves effective in reducing the risk of infection, making it a proactive choice, especially during winter nights, to ward off troublesome bacteria that can trigger colds, coughs, and flu. Beyond its immune-boosting attributes, turmeric boasts potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, becoming a formidable asset for overall health. The curcumin in turmeric water serves as a robust antioxidant that enhances immune function. Research also indicates that curcumin elevates the activity of natural killer cells, which is a type of white blood cell that's crucial for defending the body against infection. Additionally, curcumin's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties contribute to immune system enhancement and protection against free radical damage. For a radiant and vibrant morning glow, incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine has been proven to offer a myriad of skin-boosting benefits, leaving your skin looking younger and more luscious when you wake up. The secret behind this miraculous effect lies in the curcumin present in turmeric. This potent antioxidant battles free radicals, preventing damage to skin cells and thwarting premature aging. With its anti-inflammatory properties, curcumin also works to reduce redness, swelling, and irritation, leaving your skin smooth and healthy. Drinking turmeric water before bedtime not only evens out skin tone but also stimulates collagen production, contributing to smooth and youthful-looking skin. Turmeric's antimicrobial properties equally combat bacteria, ensuring clear and healthy skin. As an added benefit, it purifies your blood and shields cells from inflammation and oxidative stress damage, enhancing your overall skin health and imparting a youthful glow. Turmeric also comes to the rescue by reducing high cholesterol, which is often linked to heart disease. It does this by lowering bad cholesterol and raising good cholesterol levels in the body. Enjoying turmeric water at night improves blood vessel lining by preventing the formation of blood clots that may lead to heart attacks. Turmeric's protective efforts include reducing inflammation and enhancing heart muscle function, making it a simple yet impactful addition to your nighttime routine for a healthier heart. To make exercise more accessible and enduring for heart disease patients, the antioxidant curcumin plays a crucial role. Various studies demonstrate that curcumin can enhance exercise tolerance in people with cardiovascular disease, allowing them to engage in longer and less strenuous workouts. This positive effect is likely due to curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which improve heart and lung function by ensuring proper blood circulation and reducing fatigue during exercise. After eating dinner every night, a cup of turmeric water is enough to improve digestion while you sleep, making you feel refreshed in the morning. Ensuring easy digestion is crucial for overall health as it facilitates the absorption of essential nutrients for proper bodily function. Turmeric contributes to reducing gas and bloating while safeguarding the stomach and intestinal lining by enhancing your ability to derive optimal nutrition from the food you eat. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, once again proves beneficial for digestion as it stimulates bile production, which is crucial for breaking down fats. It enhances the generation of enzymes that are necessary for protein and carbohydrate breakdown. Curcumin also protects the gut by combating harmful bacteria and preventing damage to the stomach and intestinal lining. The brain is another important organ in the body that enjoys the benefits of turmeric water. Turmeric water consumption has demonstrated a positive impact on brain health, with the curcumin in turmeric associated with the reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease. This degenerative brain disorder affects memory, thinking, and behavior, but curcumin plays a protective role against Alzheimer's in various ways. First, it reduces inflammation, which is a key contributor to Alzheimer's disease. Second, it mitigates oxidative damage caused by free radicals by protecting brain cells. Third, curcumin helps to prevent the formation of beta amyloid, which is a protein-forming harmful brain plaque. And finally, turmeric increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, by promoting the growth of new brain cells. Together, these effects work to lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease and impede its progression. Did you know that drinking turmeric water at night is a great way to help you wind down and get a good night's sleep? Unlike caffeinated beverages, which can keep you awake at night, turmeric water is caffeine-free. Turmeric promotes better sleep by naturally containing magnesium, which is an important mineral that regulates sleep cycles and induces relaxation. For a calming evening ritual, consider sipping on a cup of turmeric water before bedtime. However, it's advisable to consume around 400 to 600 milligrams of pure turmeric powder daily for a safer experience. Experts recommend turmeric water on an empty stomach for optimal benefits, whether in the morning or before bedtime. Consuming it in the morning aids the body in burning excess fat, setting a healthy tone for the day. You'll agree with me that after an overnight fast, it's crucial to begin the day with something nourishing. So starting your morning with a hot glass of turmeric water enhances nutrient absorption, allowing you to reap the full benefits of turmeric. Turmeric powder is used to make turmeric water and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, both on its own and in combination with other flavors. For a simple drink, mix a tablespoon of ground turmeric with hot water. To enhance the flavor, try adding a dash of cinnamon or ginger. And for a soothing nighttime beverage, mix turmeric with plant-based milk like almond or coconut milk. Alternatively, you can mix turmeric with green tea or orange juice for a refreshing beverage. If you're feeling adventurous, try pairing turmeric with pineapple juice for a sweet and tart drink. Regardless of your preference, turmeric water offers a delicious and healthy option for your body. Now over to you, Vitality Voyagers. What other powerful benefits of turmeric water do you know? And what are your favorite ways of enjoying turmeric water? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. But apart from turmeric water, did you know that castor oil is another miraculous wonder with amazing health benefits, especially when used at night? Click on the video showing on your screen right now to discover the powerful reasons why you should use castor oil before bed. Trust me, it's one eye-opening revelation you don't want to miss. See you there!